Good morning and welcome to my channel. No, just kidding. If you're lying, come with me. So, Alan's pretty much knocked out the ceiling and stuff. Alex has knocked out some of the chimney. We've got some of that chimney stuff that we need to remove. In this room, we are going to take these out and rip these beams out completely because they're rotten, and then take all of the tiles off because some of the broken and damaged, and replace that so we can turn this back into the kitchen. And then we're going to put a hole through that wall for a window where we can access the garden area and hand out the beers into the garden, or the wine out into the garden area. We're fortunate enough to have a tap and a meter, below it, and we've got water on. Little finds, we found this, which will go mostly on our choice boards, and we've got a couple of fruit doors that we found as well. So there'll be something we can use later on. As you come through here, we've managed to knock out a few rooms. So that was a salon area, which is a red room. Those walls are now all gone. Alan smashed out all the ceilings, so I had a low ceiling through here. A tile ceiling, and we managed to knock that out and expose all the big wooden beams that actually hold up this whole building. Today we moved the gravel to clear it all out, because we want to clear it out. We've got a couple of bits and pieces to remove today. We're going to smash this out and get rid of this. And then, I'm not sure if you can see, but on the render on the wall, we're going to go around and start removing the render on the wall so we can expose all these beautiful rocks that have been here for hundreds of years. So, you walk through this way. This is going to be, in French they call it la salon, which is the lounge. So the fireplace there, if you can see the fireplace, we're actually going to put a doorway through that fireplace out into the garden. So that goes directly to the garden, which will let a lot more light in. So present, it's a bit dark. We're still running with no electricity, but we're moving on with it. And out through here, there's the stairwell to upstairs, and Nicola's been working up on level 2, cleaning it out, because that's probably going to be the bedrooms that we're going to sleep in the interim. And out to the front door. Unfortunately, the door, while it's beautiful and lovely, is quite rotten. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to take our time to actually take this door apart and replace it. You can actually open the windows, if you come and have a look, of the door to the frame, which lets the air and stuff in. So we're going to put all this back together and make it work really well for us. But isn't that amazing? Look at that. So we're going to fix that all up and redo that and put these doors back in.
Look up on the wall.
Oh look.
You just came out of the door.
Just a go. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. There's a lot of render that comes off the walls as well. So there we go. How cool is that? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.
Stopped? No, that's going again. got it on vid too.
Bonjour. Comment ça va? Au revoir.
Get back to work, you lazy sod.